So, hi all, this is Sarna. So, first of all, the first thing I have to say is that don't ever think that getting good marks in CBSE is very tough. It's actually a very easy task, and getting good marks in any of the competitive exams also is very easy. And don't think that she got good marks, so it may be easier for her. It's not like that. It's actually very easy for everyone. So, the basic three rules what you have to follow is that the first one is everyone's dialogue. Everyone have to be thorough in your books. In your textbook, you don't have to be thorough in that. And the second important thing is that whenever you're reading a chapter or something, have a notes by your side. I've been following this rule from 10th standard, so it's been key for my success or for my marks. So follow that. And the third important thing is that self-testing, which is very very important. Whenever you're completing a syllabus or chapter, have test yourself. Don't wait for someone else to test you. Have a question paper, get a set of question paper from online or from ma'am. You'll always get it and write it, test yourselves, and also correct from your mistakes, which is very 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 important. Correcting from your mistakes. So yeah, that's my trick, and I hope everyone will get good marks. Don't worry about that. You will all get good marks in that. So all the best for your future endeavors, everyone. And the most important thing which I have to say that I've been following all these three rules easily because of this tuition center. For example, if you're going in any other tuition centers, it won't be flexible. The time won't be flexible. For example, in other tuition centers, it will be like 5 to 6. You have to come, I'll be teaching you, you have to go back to your home and you have to study by yourselves. But it's not like that in here. A thing which is different in this academy is that, academic center is that it is flexible. That if you want some time to study, ma'am will provide it. If you want some time to take rest, ma'am will provide it. It's not like you have to do this in this particular time, you have to finish this within this timeline. It's not like that. So that's very important. And the most important thing is that it's not based on teachers' comfort, it's based on students' comfort, which is very important for getting good marks, I guess. Because students' comfort is the top priority which you have to give while getting good marks. And thanks to ma'am and team for making that possible. And the most important thing next is that getting good marks in CBSE is by understanding the concept. And understanding concept through textbooks is a bit tricky because they would have been given the content directly. There would be some tricky lines or something. But if you have some guide to push yourself to teach what's in that, now you will get good marks in that. You will understand the concept. Especially we will be having the assessment reasoning, and the upcoming board exams we will be having more MCQs, right? So for those things, it's very important to understand the concept. And thanks to Bilwa ma'am for making me understand the concept. Literally, when I came to this tuition center, I have no idea. Like I was like, electric field E is equals to KQ by R square, nothing else. But when I entered the tuition center, ma'am asked me a question. Okay, what produces in magnetic field? What for an electron? How it produces a magnetic field? I was blank. I don't know the answer. I was like, ma'am, I know magnetic field formula is mu naught I by R square. I mean 2 pi d. But I don't know how it is produced. Then man told like it spins that produces the magnetic field. Because this statement helped me in my examination. So understanding the concept is very very important, and it's just not for 12th standard, it's for all the classes which I'm saying. And having notes is very important. That made me secure good marks. Thank you for everything. Thank you, ma'am.